Hi, it's Anna from the library. It's so good to see you today. Today we're going to read a story about some little monkeys who are going shopping, and let's see what happens with them. This is 5 little monkeys go shopping. Five little monkeys go shopping. Here they are. The day before school starts, Mama takes her 5 little monkeys shopping for clothes. Stick with me, she says, and don't go wandering off. We need dresses, pants, shirts, hats, and backpacks for my 5 little monkeys, says Mama. But I only see 4 little monkeys, says the sales lady. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonder where the 5th one is. Five little monkeys minus 1 monkey, 4 monkeys here equals 1 missing monkey. Only 4 little monkeys, says Mama. How can that be? Are we missing 1 little monkey? You 4 little monkeys, try on these clothes while I go find her. But stay right here and don't go wandering off. So 1 little monkey tries on pants, 1 little monkey tries on shirts, 1 little monkey tries on a dress. Then 2 of those monkeys are so thirsty. They want to find a water fountain. Off they go, just as Mama comes back with 1 missing monkey. Now I have my 5 little monkeys, Mama says. But I only see 3 little monkeys, says the sales lady. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 little monkeys, gasped Mama. Am I missing more monkeys? How can that be? 5 little monkeys minus 3 monkeys here equals 2 missing monkeys. I need to find those 2 little monkeys, says Mama. You 3 little monkeys can try on more clothes, but stay right here and don't go wandering off. You think they do? So those little monkeys are looking for more clothes when they see 3 of their monkey friends. Then 1 little monkey needs to find the bathroom. Off he goes just as Mama hurries back with her 2 missing monkeys. Now I have my 5 little monkeys, she says. But I see 7 little monkeys, says the sales lady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little monkeys, gasped Mama. How can that be? We found 3 friends, 2 of her little monkeys explain. Their papa has gone to look for their 2 little sisters. Oh no, says Mama, I'm so confused. Am I still missing a monkey? 7 little monkeys minus 3 friends equals 4 of my little monkeys. I need to find my 1 little monkey, says Mama. You 7 little monkeys try on more clothes. Stay right here and don't go wandering off. But the 4 little monkeys and their 3 monkey friends get tired of trying on clothes. Let's go help Mama, they say. Off they go, just as Mama hurries back with her 1 missing monkey. and the monkey friend's papa and their 2 little sister monkeys. Now we have 10 little monkeys, says Mama, but I only see 3 little monkeys, says the sales lady. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, wails Mama. Am I still missing some monkeys? How can that be? Stay right here, says the sales lady, and don't go wandering off. Then the sales lady makes an announcement. Will all the little monkeys who are missing their mamas, papas, and little sisters or brothers please come to the children's clothing department right now? And here they all come. Lots of little monkeys hurry to the children's clothing department. Now I have my 5 little monkeys, says Mama, and I have my 5 little monkeys, says the monkey friend's papa. So do we have 10 little monkeys? No, says the sales lady. You have 14 little monkeys. You have 4 extra little monkeys. Those 4 belong to me, cries the grandma monkey. Now that everyone has found everybody, would anyone like to buy anything? Asked the sales lady. The 5 little monkeys and Mama buy dresses, pants, hats, shorts, backpacks, and sunglasses, and then they head for the car. Can I play at your house? Sure. At last, we finished our shopping, says Mama, and at last, I have all of my 5 little monkeys. No, you have 6, says one little monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How can that be? That was certainly a confused little monkey mama. Want to do some 5 little monkeys with us? Okay. Let's get our little friends here. This fellow, you know, I think he's Curious George. He's saying hi to you. So let's do 5 little monkeys, okay? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. Hi, doctor. And the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So all the monkeys came back, and what did they do? I don't know. Did they jump on the bed again? I bet they did, but I bet they all had a good time. We'll hope to see you soon. And meantime, you can get some books out of the library, and you can get the 5 Little Monkeys book out too. And have fun, everybody.